Getting started with your KitchenAid Artisan mini stand mixer. While assembling your stand mixer, first make sure the mixer is unplugged and the speed is set to 0. Raise the tilt head and slide the locking lever to the locked position. Attach the bowl by placing it onto the stand mixer base and gently turn clockwise until it feels secure. Choose the accessory best for your recipe. The flat and flex edge beaters are best for normal to heavy mixtures. Use the wire whip for mixtures that require more air, or use the dough hook to mix and knead yeast doughs. With the tilt head still raised, attach your selected accessory onto the beater shaft. Slide the locking lever to the unlocked position and lower the tilt head. Slide the locking lever back to the locked position to secure. If using the pouring shield, place it onto the bowl with the pouring chute position to the right of the attachment hub. Add your ingredients into the bowl and turn your mixer on to the lowest speed setting to start. Gradually increase the speed to your desired setting. Lift up slightly and slide in either direction. When you're finished mixing, make sure the speed is set to 0. Remove the pouring shield and slide the locking lever to the unlocked position. Raise the tilt head, then slide the lever back to the locked position. Remove your accessory by pressing upward and turning clockwise to release it from the beater shaft. Gently turn the bowl counterclockwise and remove it from the stand mixer base. The KitchenAid Artisan Mini Stand Mixer. The perfect size for the recipes you crave. From KitchenAid.
As every cook knows, nothing makes prepping and mixing your favorite recipes quicker and easier than using a high-quality stand mixer. And now, thanks to the best name in the business, you can simply and efficiently handle the heaviest mixing tasks with the newest stand mixer from Cuisinart. This powerful 500-watt stand mixer is made of sturdy die-cast metal construction and has 12 mixing speeds for superior precision. The tilt-back head allows for easy access to the mixing bowl, and the included splash guard makes it easy to add ingredients even during operation. The Cuisinart stand mixer comes with 3 accessories: a chef's whisk, dough hook, and flat mixing paddle that all operate with whisper-quiet performance. This machine goes beyond the typical cookies and mashed potatoes, including fluffy creams, whole wheat pasta and pizza dough, and spicy guacamole. There's no end to the convenient solutions this stand mixer delivers. And when your kitchen creativity requires it, you can easily add any of Cuisinart's easy-to-use attachments, like the pasta extruder, dessert maker, or meat grinder. The generous 5.5 quart work bowl comes in polished stainless steel and features an easy grip handle. Make up to 6 cups of cream, process 6 cups of flour, or even 5 dozen cookies. And save time cleaning up, as the bowl, paddle, and dough hook are 100% dishwasher safe. The stand mixer comes in silver, white, or red and is backed by a 3-year warranty. Why wait to simplify your cooking and baking food preparation? Bring home classic cooking convenience with the new Cuisinart stand mixer.
Introducing our best performing commercial stand mixer ever, the all-new KitchenAid commercial stand mixer, designed with chefs in mind.
We do work with the best ingredients and best equipment, so providing our students everything they need to themselves reach excellence. We use the KitchenAid mixer every day. This is the typical small piece of equipment that you need at all time.
See how it's kind of tearing like that?
Chefs are not gentle with the pieces of equipment, so we do need very strong pieces of equipment. The whip shape is what we're looking for the perfect whip. You have such a shape that you can whip a smaller amount of egg white and a larger amount, and it will still give you the perfect end result.
Now it's a lot stiffer.
What I love about this bowl is this new shape. Very easy to grab, this open-ended handle, very easy to stack for storage. Finally, you have a piece of equipment that it's designed with professional, by professional, for professionals.
The KitchenAid commercial stand mixer, helping chefs create great cuisine. Premium performance, exceptional results, legendary KitchenAid quality.
Welcome to your new Kenwood cooking chef. Congratulations. You have joined an elite club of cooks who have discovered the future of food preparation. The revolutionary cooking chef is the most advanced development in Kenwood's history. It combines everything that generations of cooks have loved about the Kenwood chef with the addition of induction cooking technology. The cooking chef makes even complex tasks simple and delivers perfect results. It's the difference between being a home cook and a chef in your own kitchen. This DVD will help you get to know your cooking chef, so you can take your cooking to the next level with confidence. We'll explain the tools and attachments that come with your machine and talk you through a step-by-step quick start guide so you can start using the cooking chef today. There's also a selection of recipes to get you started, including starters, main courses, desserts and sauces, bringing to life how the cooking chef will transform the way you cook. We'll also take a look at the optional attachments available to help you create a bespoke machine that will do exactly what you need it to do in your kitchen.
The KitchenAid Artisan Series Stand Mixer. 10 speeds and our legendary mixing action give you everything you need for consistently exceptional results. The stand mixer includes a wire whip, flat beater, and dough hook. The tilt head design gives you easy access to the large 5-quart bowl, while an assortment of optional attachments add versatility and inspire creativity. And with over 20 colors to choose from, you'll think it was made just for you. The KitchenAid Artisan Series Stand Mixer. Timeless design, ultimate versatility. And always, classic KitchenAid quality.